How to use the NJSBA app. Customize your annual meeting experience this year and download the NJSBA app. To find the app, go to the Apple Store for Apple devices or go to the Google Play Store for Android devices and search for any of the following: NJSBA, NJSBA Event, NJ State Bar, or New Jersey State Bar Association. After downloading the app, log in and create your profile. By having a profile, you'll be able to interact with others at the event. Let's get started. Simply provide your first name, last name, and email address. Logging in is easy. You will receive an email verification code in order to successfully log in. Make sure to make your profile public so others can find you and easily interact. You'll have the ability to edit your profile further by connecting your social media accounts and adding any additional information you deem fit. In the NJSBA app, you'll be able to create your schedule to get the most out of the event. Plan your day, select the sessions you want to attend, and instantly let the app build your schedule. You can filter through the schedule by speakers or tracks. The four main icons of this event are attendees, activity feed, tracks, and maps. The attendees icon. Create your profile and stay engaged this annual meeting. By having a profile, you'll be able to post on the activity feed and keep the conversation going after sessions. If you make your profile public, you'll also be able to search and direct message other visible users. The activity feed icon. Stay a part of the conversations online. The event feed is a great space where you'll be able to connect with attendees, speakers, sponsors, and exhibitors. The tracks icon. There are over 85 continuing legal education seminars featuring the brightest minds in the law, and to make it easier to filter through your needs, we have the educational tracks listed. You can find the tracks you're interested in and see the correlating sessions you want to attend and add it to your schedule. The maps icon. Access the Borgata Hotel Spa and Casino's meeting rooms and exhibit hall floor plans. These maps will be helpful in real time if you ever attempt to access a session that has reached room capacity and you'll need to see what else is going on nearby. There are more event icons you'll be able to access during the event. Start exploring by downloading the NJSBA app today.